go when I want to. Best thing that's to heaven. They be tryna get me out though. I'm just counting blessings. A real woman by the pay.
Hi guys, so I'm coming with another wig review sponsored by SAMSBEAUTY.com. It is the STYLIST Swiss Lace Silk Top Lace Wig in the style Savvy Bob. Right here I'm just showing you the little card, taking it out of the packaging. The lace is soft. It has two combs in the front, one on each side, and then it also has a comb in the back, and in the back as well it has the adjustable straps. So this is the wig straight out of the box. I haven't done anything to it. It does have the little slant like you would see on a standard bob, which is nice. The parting does look good. I just have on a natural wig cap up under. I haven't put on any makeup on the part. As you can see, it does have bumped ends if you like that look, and it does have a 4x4 parting area, so you can part it to either side. I like to wear my parts to the side, or the middle is fine. So for this particular look, I'm going to be parting it to the side. So here I'm just showing you guys that this wig does have movement. The texture of this hair is amazing. It does not feel like synthetic hair, which I really like. So I'm just playing with it, just parting it to the side, getting the feel of it. So I did end up flat ironing the hair on 340 only because it had too much bumpity bump for me. So I did straighten it out just a bit because I don't really like bumped ends. And I'm just using concealer. I didn't know if I wanted to use foundation or concealer for this one, but I did end up using the concealer, which did look good. It's in the, I think, Warm Honey by LA Pro Girl. So I'm just going to put it on the part to make it look more natural using a small brush. So here I'm just using some black eyeshadow. It doesn't matter which kind, and that same small brush, and putting it on the hair. Any hair that I got concealer on, I'm just going to put the black foundation so that it can look more neat and more natural. So this is the finished look. I love this wig. Minimal shedding, no tangling. So if you're trying to be cute on a budget, you need something that's easy and quick, this is the look for you. I will have the link to the hair down in the description box below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video.